All right, so we're doing page 249. First section. It says, plot these points on the line graph. 1 and 1, across 1, up 1. Across 1, so I look for my 1, 1, up 1, 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my dots. The next one says across 2, up 3. I look for my 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then it says up 3. 1, 2, 3. Shade it in well so we see it. Then the third one says across 3, up 5. So I look for my 3. 1, 2, 3. Up 5. So we go to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it says use your ruler to draw a line connecting the points. Okay, in this case, I don't have a ruler, but carefully connect the dots to make a straight line. All right. Write the times. Remember, shorthand is the hour, longhand is the minutes, and we count by 5. So do A, B, C, and D. Write the estimated sums. That means we're going to add. You're going to do A, B, C, and D. Write the mixed numbers for these figures. So a mixed number is a whole number with a fraction. So every time you see a full picture colored, that means it automatically becomes a 1. Now here we count 1, 2, 3. That's why my denominator became a 3. And the only one that was colored in was just 1. So that's why our numerator is a 1. The total always goes in the bottom. The one filled in goes on the top. In this case, we have 1 and 2 shaded in. So that means my whole number is 1, 2. So it becomes a 2. Now here we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. That means my denominator is a 4. And there's only 1 colored in, so that's my numerator, 1. In this one, we have 1 colored in completely, so that becomes 1. And then here we're going to count the total of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is my denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 becomes my numerator. In this picture we have 1 and 2 colored in completely. So my whole number is a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is my denominator. 1, 2, 3. This is my numerator. Page 250. Add or subtract the mixed numbers. So I explained in the last lesson that because both denominators are the same, they stay the same. And 11. And then we add the numerators. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 3, 11. Remember to always check your sign. This is a subtraction problem. And addition, subtraction. We're going to skip section 7. I'll do another lesson explaining temperatures. And let's move on to section 8, divide and check. So remember that you always look at the first number. 4 is smaller than 8, so we need to use two numbers. 47 is bigger than 8, so we need to figure out 8 times what is close to 47. Remember that it cannot be bigger than 47. It has to be the closest number to it in order to divide by it.